Hello everyone, it's James. Today's video is computer related. I'm going to add a third monitor to my existing 2-monitor system. I bought a DisplayPort to HDMI cable. I bought this cable from Amazon Japan. That's because I'm in Japan. Let's quickly head over to Amazon Japan's website to take a look at this product. You're looking at Amazon Japan's website. This is the product that I ordered. It cost 989 yen, tax included. That's about $6.70 US. Description: Amazon Basics DisplayPort to HDMI, 5.9 feet, 1.8 meters, high speed. I assume that you know the difference between an HDMI and a DisplayPort, but if you don't, I'll just quickly talk about it. An HDMI uses a 19-pin cable, and a DisplayPort uses a 20-pin. The DisplayPort cable has a physical latch that prevents it from being disconnected accidentally. And you'll see to the left is an HDMI, to the right is a DisplayPort. Here is a test question. Which is the HDMI and which is the DisplayPort? Left is the HDMI, right is the DisplayPort. The DisplayPort has two L's, as you can see, from left side and right side. I'm going to plug the DisplayPort cable to my graphics card. If you don't have a graphics card, you plug it into your motherboard. The HDMI end will go directly to the third monitor. I have two active monitors, and the third one is to my left, right here. So let's get to the package. I have sped up this part for your convenience. Here it is. Amazon Basics DisplayPort to HDMI display cable, 6 feet, 1.8 meters. It seems official. It has an official tape on it. Ta-da! Here it is. It tells you which is which. This says HDMI. Okay, it looks like this. Both ends are the same at the top. The bottom is flat like this. The top looks like a roof. Alright. And this end is the DisplayPort. Does it say DisplayPort? It says Amazon Basics. But I know this is the DisplayPort. Take a look. Okay, remember I mentioned that it looks like two L's here and here. It looks like a USB, but it's not. It has a slope on the side like this. So this is a DisplayPort, and I need to plug this end where the graphics card is. So let's do that. Well, actually, let's untie this. I want to plug this into my graphics card that is below my motherboard. You're looking at the back of my desktop. This is my graphics card, and right over here is a DisplayPort. Okay, I'm going to plug this DisplayPort cable into this DisplayPort. Just like that. Did you see that? Make sure it fits. The wording on the cable is down in this case. Let's head over to the third monitor. You're looking at the back of the third monitor. It's an LG monitor. This is the HDMI cable that's connected to the back of my desktop. I want to plug this into my monitor, this HDMI port. Just like that. Okay, time to set it up. Okay, and let's turn it on again. It works beautifully. Look at that. 3 monitors. And I didn't have to do anything. Alright, normally you would go into your main monitor and click on the desktop, right click it and choose display settings. And you would need your, oh, look at this. It's showing the system display on the right monitor. My third monitor is over there. Oh, hang on, let's just press identify. Okay, 1, 2, 3, that's right. If you move this around like this and apply, this is what happens. Select identify, 1, 2, 3. But here it says 1, 3, 2, which is screwy. Detect other display. We didn't find another display. The system detected a third display. That's why you see 1, 2, 3. Okay, I have 3 monitors. Always keep it on extend desktop to this display. You can duplicate desktop on 1 and 2, duplicate desktop on 1 and 3, disconnect this display. It's your choice. So I'm going to make this clear. I'm going to select identify 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put 1 to the far right, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, and apply. And my main icons are in the middle screen. That's exactly what I want. Okay, so that's how to do it. I can drag it across. No, I can't. It's blocked off. How about if I go left? Yes, I can go left. Okay, so it works. You can just drag it to the right, back to the center, or to the right, but you can't go further to the right. You can go left, back to the center, and then to your left. That's perfect. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. So this is how to connect a third monitor using a DisplayPort cable to HDMI. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.